English proverbs are short, well-known sayings that express general truths or pieces of advice. They are an important part of everyday language and can help you sound more natural and fluent when speaking English. Learning proverbs not only expands your vocabulary, but also deepens your understanding of cultural references and common expressions. In this video, we will explore 2 widely used English proverbs. By understanding their meanings and how to use them, you can enhance your communication skills and connect more effectively with others. The saying, "Practice makes perfect," is a well-known proverb. It means that the more you do something, the better you become at it. Just like learning to ride a bike or play an instrument, repeating an activity helps you improve your skills. Over time, your mistakes become fewer and your confidence grows. This simple idea encourages us to keep trying, even when things are difficult at first. With enough practice, what once seemed hard can become easy. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle for the first time. At first, it might feel awkward, and you may lose your balance or fall. But with each attempt, you become a little steadier and more confident. Over time, your muscles remember what to do, and riding becomes second nature. This simple experience shows how practice makes perfect. The more you try, the better you get, until what once seemed difficult becomes easy. Here is a simple sentence using the phrase, "Practice makes perfect." If you want to play the piano well, remember that practice makes perfect. Now, let's repeat the sentence slowly and clearly. If you want to play the piano well, remember that practice makes perfect. The proverb, "Absence makes the heart grow fonder," is a well-known saying that highlights the impact of distance on our feelings. It suggests that when someone we care about is not around, we begin to miss them and appreciate them even more. The separation can make us realize how important that person is to us. As a result, our affection and longing for them tend to grow stronger during their absence. This proverb captures the idea that sometimes being apart can actually deepen our emotional connection. Imagine you have a close friend who moves to another city for school. At first, you might not notice their absence, but as days go by, you start to miss the fun times and conversations you shared. You find yourself thinking about them more often and looking forward to their messages or calls. This feeling of missing someone special shows how being apart can actually make you appreciate them even more. The distance helps you realize just how much they mean to you. Here's how you can use the phrase, "Absence makes the heart grow fonder," in a simple sentence. After spending a month apart, they realized that absence makes the heart grow fonder. Now, let's repeat that sentence slowly and clearly. After spending a month apart, they realized that absence makes the heart grow fonder. Both proverbs offer valuable lessons. The first, "Practice makes perfect," teaches us that patience and persistent repetition often lead to mastery and success. The second, "Absence makes the heart grow fonder," reminds us that being away from someone or something we love increases our affection and appreciation for them. By understanding these meanings, we can apply their wisdom to everyday situations. Practicing these proverbs in your own sentences will help you remember their significance and use them naturally in conversation. Try incorporating them into your daily language to make your communication more expressive and insightful. Thank you for learning with me today. Now, your homework is to try to use these proverbs this week. Try to say them to a friend or write them in a sentence. I will see you soon for the next simple English lesson. Goodbye and good luck with your practice.